Hello again, this is Eddie with RMC Miami. You're looking at one of our newest inventory. This is a 2000 Ford F150 Lightning. This particular Lightning is bone stock. It's got 40,000 miles. Beautiful red paint. No accidents, clean history. Really nice condition. It's got Nito NT 55s all around. Tow hitch. Really clean. It's rare to find these without any modifications. They're always pretty much somewhat modded, at least with a pulley and whatnot. This one has zero modifications. So do a little walk around of it, turn it on, show you the interior. Turn it on. $40,700 miles. Original radio. Ice cold air conditioning. Headliner's in really good condition as well. Show you the seats. A little bit of bolster wear, normal from coming in and out. Show you the motor. Beautiful 8-cylinder, factory supercharged, over 300 horsepower. Runs great. Go ahead and show you the trunk, or the bed, sorry. The bed liner on it. Don't mind my camera and my cleaning supplies. Factory taillights, not changed. Factory exhaust. Really nice condition. If you have any other questions on this car or any other car in my inventory, feel free to reach me at 786-377-4331. Again, my name is Eddie. Our website's rmcmiami.com. And thank you for watching. Until next time.